In this video, I will show you how to become member on Nike app. First, head over to the App Store on your iPhone. Tap the search icon at the bottom right, and in the search bar type in Nike. Once it pops up, tap Get or the little cloud icon if you've downloaded it before. After the app finishes installing, go ahead and open it. You will see a sign up button. Tap that. Then, sign up using your email address, and Nike will send you an authentication code. Just enter that code to verify your email. After that, it will ask you a few quick setup questions, like your interests or goals, and even location. Just fill those out. And that's it. You're now officially a Nike member. To double check, just tap on your profile icon at the bottom right and you will see your membership status right there. And that's how to become member on Nike app.